It was supposed to be a simple DUI arrest.
Corey, you're telling me you haven't been drinking, okay? But I'm seeing some signs of it. I'm seeing some signs of it. No, I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing.
Relax.
I wasn't driving.
Corey, can you stop talking?
But listen, I wasn't driving.
Corey, can you relax? Here, what is?
I got in the front seat because my friend told me to get in the front seat and I didn't drive. That's the truth.
My life, I was not. Can y'all correct that?
Corey, can you do me a favor?
Can y'all correct that I wasn't driving?
Stop talking, dude.
Corey, can you do me a favor? Can you just relax for a second?
I wasn't driving. My friend was driving. I got in the front seat.
Yeah, your body cam's right here.
Right, because he just kicked me in my face. He kicked me. The dude kicked me right in my face. I want to go to the ambulance because I've never been kicked in my face.
Hey, get my car.
Sit down.
Get it.
Sit down. I'm going to be told. I'm not getting it.
No, I can't get my. Please let me get my car.
Corey,
Sit down.
Can we sit down, please?
Your car's being towed.
Corey.
Why?
You're in the
She
rush.
can get my car.
Sit down.
Please do, please.
You're not getting your car.
Corey, can we sit down, please? Can we sit down, please?
No, I'm gonna stand here. I'm good.
Okay, you want to stand here?
When can I go home?
It's not up to us. You gotta talk to the people that you're about to go.
I've never been arrested. You're bogus as fuck. Like you're fucking up. Like you're white. It's cool. I've never been arrested. It's cool because my black ass ain't never been arrested with your bitch ass.
Stay right there in the front of the car.
Stay in the front of the car. Beat y'all up. Beat all y'all ass. That's why y'all want to be tough. Y'all can do what y'all want to do. Boy, I don't get no. Dude, I want to go home. He just hit me in my face. He punched me in my face. I want to go to the ambulance.
Stop walking away.
Don't touch me because you bogus as hell because you could have let me go home and you bogus.
Stop walking away.
You bogus. How long? What do I got to do?
Hey, right now. You want me to write down?
Yes, please. I'm begging you.
The medics are going to come check you out.
Okay.
You got blood coming from your nose.
Yes.
Okay. Second. After that, you're going to get transported to Boca.
Okay.
Okay. After that, we're going to have probably some sort of bond or little I bond.
Am I going to be here for 3 days?
For 3 days? I don't think so.
Bro, because it's f***ing Friday, like, y'all bogus. Like, y'all so f***ing bogus.
The paramedics then arrived to try and help Corey.
My face is hurt because he hit me in my face. The officer right there, dude right there, point right there. He hit me in my face because he's mad. Like, I just want to go home. I don't have nothing else to explain. Please help me because they're not going to do it.
We're under arrest for.
I don't have nothing.
right there. Stop moving.
I got arrested for what? What am I under arrest for?
DUI.
For what?
DUI.
Okay, and I don't have nothing.
And you're gonna get one for running too.
You don't have nothing to prove it.
You got four body cameras. And all the cars.
Can you give me an ambulance, please? Shut up.
I'm talking to you.
Boy, shut the up. Boy, don't touch me out. Beat your ass. Stop talking to me. Can you give me an ambulance, please?
Stay at the front of the car.
Don't touch me.
Relax.
Take me to an ambulance, because he just hit me in my face.
We're getting one.
Can you give me an ambulance, please?
It's coming.
Shut the up. I'm not talking to you. He just hit me in my face. Bitch ass. Beat your ass. So I'll beat you up. You know it. And you know it. And you know it. Because y'all just my record up. I ain't never been in trouble in my life.
Yourself.
Ain't nothing wrong with your you white bitch. That's what white people do. Black. And I'm gonna always be black. You gonna always be mad because you're not a Jew. I'm a Jew. I'm a Jew. I'm a Jew. I'm a Jew. You're white. You're white. You will never be black. You will never be black. I know you. I know you are. What's your name? What's
George.
your name?
George 208.
George.
Yep.
George. Pero requela barrega mañana. Requela mayor rexi, no mayor rexina. Requela barrexi. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. He hit me in my face.
Come over here. Can you stop talking?
He hit me in my face and now I'm hurt. And I just want to go home.
Okay.
I don't care about whatever y'all got to do.
All right, you don't want to go to the hospital?
No.
You don't want to go to the hospital? I just need you to sign something.
I'm in pain. I'm in pain, but I want to pay. I'm in pain. I don't want to go to the hospital. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Stop talking for me.
You keep saying yes or no, so what is your final answer? You're going to prolong the process.
I want to go to the hospital, but I want to know what I got to do to get out of this situation right now, so I can.
Well, you're going to go to the hospital and then you're going to jail.
Yeah,
you're going to
all right, take me to jail so I can get out of here.
So do you want an ambulance? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Bitch,
Then
whoa, smack the. So you know you wouldn't. You know you're not tough. Shut up. Take me out. I want to go home.
No, now it's been prolonged. You would have been released in an hour.
Because y'all friends just beat me up and beat me up and beat me the f
You
up.
would have been released after probably an hour for local DUI. Now it's going to be several hours.
Your friend just, dude, your friend just beat me the f up and lick my face.
That's fine. Your car's going to be impounded. You're going to go to the hospital.
That's
and go to
fine.
jail.
I don't care.
Excellent. And you're going to have a babysitter with you the whole time, and then you're going to go to jail.
Who's my babysitter? I want to go to jail. Take me to jail. No, I don't want to
the ambulance.
I'm not. No, I'm good. I want to go to jail.
You can't keep changing your mind.
I
Yes
want to
or
go to
no?
jail. Get this over with. I want to go to jail to get this over with. I want to go home.
Okay. Are you guys fine with him signing, or do you want to?
All right, take me to jail. Can you take me to jail, please? Can you take me to jail?
Corey, you're gonna have to sign those.
I can't do shit. My fucking hands behind my back. No.
Okay.
What can I do?
Back to the van. Come on.
My hands behind my back.
Back to the
And put me in this motherfucking van, bro. Your ass have to be this tough ass.
Come over. Stand here. Separate
I
your feet
know
out
you tough.
against
I know you tough. You tough in this van, bro.
Separate your feet
Don't
out.
put your bro.
Separate your feet out.
You kick again. I didn't kick.
Stop.
I didn't kick. I'm falling. I'm falling. I'm falling.
You're going for a felony now.
I'm falling.
Separate your feet
That's
out.
what I just told y'all. I'm falling.
Yeah, you donkey kicked it.
I
That's
just
what
fell.
you did. Okay.
Now y'all trying to be petty.
It's on everyone's
I
body
failed.
camera and the camera right there.
I said I failed.
Stop.
I just said I failed.
We gotta search you for weapons.
Bro,
Stop
y'all
jumping
so
around.
petty, bro. Y'all so petty, bro.
Okay,
A
we have to
black
search
man,
you for
y'all so
weapons.
petty. You bogus. All right, take me to the hospital.
Get in the
Take
van.
me to the hospital.
Watch your head. Watch
I want to go to the hospital. I'm in pain.
Sit closest to me because we gotta buckle you down. Sit right here. For your safety, sit up.
All right, take me to the hospital. I'm in pain.
Yeah, someone spot me with the door.
All right, take me to the hospital.
Keep your leg over there.
Bro, take me to the hospital.
We'll have them come back and talk to you and hope decide what we're doing.
So how long is this finna take?
Several hours.
You can close out the discharge on
Yeah, you are too, kicking and running from us.
I just told you I failed. You bogus.
Listen, final answer before we shut these doors.
Ambulance.
I'm not done talking, so stop talking.
Ambulance. I need
You
help.
want an ambulance, yes or no?
Yup.
Hey, buddy, Corey,
Yes.
can you not yell at me?
Dude, I just told him I need an ambulance. They just told me I beat them up and I failed. I told him I failed. I told him I slipped.
Please, I need to know. Do you want to go to the hospital?
Dude, I just fell and they're giving me a hard time.
You are going back and forth about yes or no going to the hospital. So, do you want to go to the hospital?
I
Yes
want to
or
go
no?
home the fastest I can go
That's
home.
not what I asked. Do you want to go to the hospital? Yes
I
or no?
want to go home the
That,
fastest.
that's. I don't know if that's going to get you home faster. Either way, you're going downtown. You're going to booking.
Can y'all tell me what's going home faster?
Okay, I'll tell you the two options. That's
Yes,
gonna happen.
sir. Please.
As long as
please.
you don't interrupt me, okay?
Please, yes, sir.
You either stay in this van, you go right to the police department, you fill out paperwork there, they fill out paperwork, and then however they choose to release you, that's on them. I can't speak for their behalf.
All right, cool. Let's do that.
Or your other option is to get an
Let's do
ambulance.
that.
You
Let's
go to the
do that.
hospital for however long it takes them in the
All right,
emergency
we're
room,
doing that.
then you come back to this process.
The first thing, what you said is
So
let's
you're
go.
declining an ambulance?
Yes.
Thank you.
I got your phone going right here. Going in this bag here. Okay?
I appreciate you, man. Thank you.
Corey then arrives at the police station and decides he wants an ambulance.
Corey, are we going to the hospital?
I want to go to the hospital, but y'all being petty. You know your officer being petty, so dude, wait.
Let's go to the hospital.
Dude, is your officer trying to charge me with, what is he charging me with?
Well, you kicked me, so that's a felony.
So you think I
you're
kicked you? You think I kicked you?
I know you kicked me.
You really think I kicked you?
Hey, let's go.
I kick you for real.
Hey.
I kick you for real. Beat me up.
Stop.
Beat me.
Relax.
You got your knee on my neck. You just hit me.
There's a knee on your neck. Where's the knee?
You just kneed me to my face. You just kneed me in my face.
Yeah, I need you in your face. You're right.
I didn't even do nothing to him.
Really? You just stepped up on him.
Relax.
It's hard.
You're petty. You know you're petty.
Hey, your context.
I want to go to the hospital.
You're going to the hospital. You had like 5 chances to go.
Y'all are on me.
Yeah, I know. Your contact flipped up in your eye, too.
Boy, f you.
I'm just letting you know.
I hope your parents die. Your mom and your dad die.
Okay.
Die, bitch. Die.
Wrote that in your personal letter too?
I don't give a boy, I didn't touch you.
Doesn't matter. It's not what I mean.
I don't care.
Turn around.
You see how they pulling me, right?
Yeah.
You see how they pulling me? I don't have
Stand
no.
up.
I can't do nothing. They beat me up. They threw me on the couch. Boy, I'd beat your ass if it was sober.
You were sober?
Boy, you know.
Good for the DUI.
I'm not. No, if I didn't have no hand, right? Shut the f up, boy.
All right, Corey, have a good one at the hospital, man.
All right, so what am I doing right now?
How long are you staying longer,
I'm
Friday?
going to stay longer, actually. You do. I do. Take care, Corey. We'll see you on the next one.
Y'all just trying to make my
Corey,
charge
we're
bigger
not.
than what the it is.
Corey,
you're doing it every
stop
second
yelling.
you get.
Stop
I want to
yelling.
go home.
Corey,
Talk to the officer
stop
behind
yelling. This is it. Do you want to go to the hospital or not? If not, you're gonna sign the refusal paperwork.
Dude, y'all are giving me the hardest time for no reason.
Corey, nobody's buying this. You just
I don't give a
stepped on me and then you just grabbed my arm again.
I don't
so That's
care.
gonna be another one. So do you want to go to the hospital? Yes or
I
no?
don't care. Take me to the
Do you want to go to the
I want to
hospital?
go home.
That's not
If
an
y'all
option.
telling me
That's
I don't
not
go-
an option.
If y'all telling me I'm not going home
You're
for
not.
paying for this,
You're not going
then
home.
I'm gonna go to the hospital.
Okay, so do you want to go then?
No, take me out, bro.
Okay.
Once he was released to the jail staff, things only got worse.
What is your problem? You keep on catching charges, bro. You keep on catching charges. Stop catching charges. Just relax. No, we're not. You keep instigating everything.
Now I'm going to the hospital. Take me to the hospital. Now I'm going to the hospital. Look at my pains.
Now you want to go to the hospital?
Yes!
Okay. All right, we're done. This is no more refusing. Get up. Come on.
Yo,
Get up. Stand up.
you see this, bro? You see this shit, bro? They just slam my face to the floor. I hate living, bro. I hate being black, bro. If I was white, bro, I would not go do none of this. I hate being black. You know this. You know what we go through. You know it. You know what we go through. Not handed to me. Nothing.
All right, man. Sorry about that.
I'll see you up there for the petition now at this point.
Corey was charged with aggravated resisting, aggravated battery to a peace officer, DUI, and driving with a suspended registration. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.